everyone, welcome to Asian Home Kitchen. Today we make Thai dessert. It's green sticky rice with banana in coconut milk. This is my personal recipe. I like to cook it for my family and my friends at work. They like it. That's why I would like to share it with you today. Alright, let's get started. Okay, the first thing we have to do, add 1 cup of sticky rice in the bowl. Soak it with hot water about 25 to 30 minutes. This way easy and take a little time. There are many ways to soak sticky rice. You can soak it overnight, so you don't need to worry about it. Or you can soak in the water at least 3 to 4 hours. Then it's ready to go. After soak it, wash the rice about 4 to 5 times until the water is clear. Place a cheesecloth in a steamer. Put the rice in. I'm gonna wash pandan. If you cannot find it, you can go ahead use the pandan flavor. And you can find it in Asian grocery. Add the pandan leaf in the pot. Then place the steamer in the pot. Steam about 7 to 10 minutes. After wash it, I'm gonna slice too thick. After slice, put it in food processor or blender with 50 ml of water. After blended, filter and use your hand to squeeze and release the juice. Filter with a cheesecloth again to prevent falling at small pieces. This step, you can place the cheesecloth on the strainer and fill it. That's it. You don't need to do it over and over. But my video, I do that way because I just found my cheesecloth after I already filtered with the strainer. That's why. To make the syrup to mixing with the rice, turn on over low heat. Add 100 ml of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Add 50 ml of pandan juice. Stir for 5 minutes. Then turn the heat off. After the rice and coconut syrup are cooked, add the rice in the bowl, then add coconut syrup. Mix well. Cover with aluminum foil. Leave it for 30 minutes. To make the syrup, turn on medium heat. Add 350 ml of coconut milk. Add 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 of salt, and a pandan leaf. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. Then turn off the heat. Set it aside. Okay, back to the rice again. Turn it over, then leave it for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, add 3/4 cup of coconut flakes in a pan. Toast it over low heat until golden brown, then set it aside. Okay, when we serve, add the rice in the bowl. Slice thin ladyfinger banana in. Pour the coconut syrup in. And then sprinkle with toasted sweetened coconut flakes. Okay, well done. It's easy, right? I would like to tell you something. The coconut flake is important for this recipe. I don't want you to miss it. I don't want you to take it out because the coconut flake it provides flavor and aromatic scent for your dish. So trust me, you will satisfy. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye.